Our family joining me in the wild this week are the McQuaid family from Armagh.
My name is Shay, I'm 10 years old and I'm the oldest of the Armagh Bush kids. I'm excited about sleeping outside in the wilds.
My name is Patty, I'm 9 years old and I'm the youngest in the McQuaid family. I'm looking forward to fishing and making the shelter.
My name's Maeve, I'm 9 years old and I'm Nana McQuaid. I'm their favourite cousin. Well, I'm looking forward to spending the night outside because I never made a hut out of sticks to sleep in, so that'll be a change.
They'll be joined by Shay and Paddy's mum and Maeve's aunt, Grownups.
Hello, a very big hello to the McQuaid family from Armagh. And I've come down to this sheltered area just to get out of the heavy wind that's out there today, just to send you this message. Where we are going is really, really exposed to all kinds of weather. It's very important that you're in sun cream, your sun hat, your rain jacket, your wind jacket, everything for every kind of weather that can happen. My challenge to you is that on day one, you are going to cook me a fantastic dinner. So you have to bring all those delicious ingredients just to cook. I'll bring the pots and pans and you bring the food. And of course, when you're in a place like this, there shall be lots of wonderful food to forage, cook and eat. Now I gotta go let this guy back down and let him go. He just wanted to come up and say hello to you.
Oh, look.
Oh.
Wow. What do you think of that?
I really like it.
I love the little crab.
I'm have to cook him something. What are we going to cook him?
Let's cook him crab.
No.
Maybe spaghetti bolognese?
Outside?
Yeah.
You never know.
I've sent the Bush kids some essential bushcraft items to get familiar with before we head into the wild.
Oh, what is this? Is this like a wee coat?
I think it's for keeping midgies out.
Oh, maybe it's for the rain. I don't know how to tie knots, so I'm gonna have to learn how to do that in there.
I want to learn how to make a fire using sticks and stones.
I think food would be very interesting to try new things to eat.
Did you see this? The compass. North, east, south, west. Never eat shredded wheat. I think. I'm really scared of storms and I really wouldn't like it to rain.
I would probably be scared of spiders if there would be any out in the wild.
Whoa, it's a headlight.
And I'd be very, very scared if a bear came by.
Oh my God, oh, there's a big one there.
Hopefully it doesn't start a fire. If a disaster happened, I definitely wouldn't stay calm, definitely not.
Yeah, I would just be annoyed.
I think Grania would be calm because she's an adult.
I don't think a mummy would be.
I think we'll get on well. I think it's going to be a bit of a shock though. Not very used to sleeping out under the stars. We're very tough up here in County Armagh and we're not going to let the weather worry us. I think we'll be all right.
I think the McQuaid family, including myself, will be really good at the Bush Kids.
Well, I think we as a family will do very well.
I think we all take care of each other. I think we'll do it all together.